Here's how to make your hand-sewn mask. Open your mask kit. The kit contains inner and outer fabric pieces, elastic for the ear bands, a needle and thread, and written instructions. To make the mask, you will also need scissors and a safety pin. An iron and pins or binder clips to hold the fabric together may also be helpful. Lay the larger piece of fabric on a work surface and the smaller one on top of it in the center, good side down. You may want to clip or pin your fabric edges to keep them secure. Thread your needle. And sew the two pieces together on the top and the bottom about 1/4 inch from the edge. Secure the thread on each end with some knots. You should now have a tube of fabric. Turn the tube right side out and flatten the fabric. Flatten the fabric with an iron, your fingers, or something flat like a credit card. Fold the four corners of the outer fabric like this and iron or flatten to crease. Next, fold the raw edges of the outer fabric in like this and iron or crease. Fold inwards again like so and iron or crease. You may want to clip or pin your fabric edges at this point to keep them in place. Sew along the inner edge to make a thin tube for your elastic ear pieces, making sure to leave the top and bottom open. Attach a safety pin to an elastic and pull through each tube on the side of the mask. Tie the ends of each elastic and try on your mask. Adjust the knots and the fabric gathering for a comfortable and snug mask fit. Once the mask fits well, slide the knot into the tube to hide it. You can also now sew a few stitches to secure the elastic in place. And now your mask is done.